Hey everyone, you've just made a big purchase. You're excited, but you're also a little anxious, wondering when the money will leave your account. Hook. Ever wondered how long it takes for Monzo to clear your payments? It's a question that pops up in everyone's mind at some point. Building context. In today's fast-paced world, we expect things to happen instantly. So, when it comes to our finances, we want our payments to be processed quickly. Monzo, known for its modern approach to banking, claims to be efficient. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding payment processing. Before we get into Monzo specifics, let's understand how payment processing generally works. When you make a payment, your bank sends a request to the recipient's bank. The recipient's bank then verifies the funds. If everything checks out, the payment is approved. However, this process can take time, especially for larger transactions. Monzo's clearing times. So, how does Monzo handle this? Well, Monzo is known for its real-time capabilities. This means that in many cases, payments are processed almost instantly. However, there are a few factors that can influence clearing times. Transaction type. Certain transactions, like international payments or large sums, might take longer to process. Recipient bank. The speed of the recipient's bank can also play a role. Bank holidays. If either your bank or the recipient's bank is closed, it can delay the process. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples to get a better idea of Monzo's clearing times. Domestic payments. For most domestic payments, Monzo is typically very fast. You can expect funds to be available within a few minutes or hours. International payments. International payments can take longer, often a few days. This is due to the involvement of multiple banks and currency conversions. Large transactions. If you're making a large payment, it might take a bit longer for Monzo to verify the funds. Tips for faster clearances. Here are a few tips to help ensure faster payment clearances on Monzo. Keep your account updated. Make sure your account information is up to date, including your address and contact details. Verify recipient details. Double-check the recipient's account information before making a payment. Avoid peak times. Try to avoid making payments during peak hours, as this can sometimes lead to delays. Conclusion. Overall, Monzo is known for its fast and efficient payment processing. However, it's important to remember that there can be variations based on different factors. If you're looking for a bank that can handle your payments quickly and reliably, Monzo is definitely worth considering. Call to action. Have you had any experiences with Monzo's payment processing? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and tricks. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.